Hello and welcome! My name is Jana and I'm a miniature maker. Usually there's no political content on my channel, but inspired by the huge solidarity on Instagram, I do want to contribute to the hashtag Miniatures for Peace and build a small Ukrainian roombox. Therefore, I do take a cardboard box and I cut a window into the lid. I painted in Ukrainian colors, of course. I searched on Etsy for a printable file from Ukraine, not only to make a background for my box, but also to support at least one person there. I printed it in black and white and started coloring it with watercolor pens and normal watercolor. Then it's time for the frame. I used wooden sticks and golden acrylic paint. Ukraine is known for the huge sunflower fields. That's why they are also in the background painting. So let's make some sunflowers. I use a very thin yellow paper, fold it several times and cut the leaf shapes. So I only need to cut once and get several leaves. I do take a piece of wire and use it as a stem for the sunflowers. I put white glue on the wire and push every leaf on top of it. Let it dry and add a lot of glue into the center of the petals where the seeds are. And dip it, still wet, into very small pearls of styrofoam. Let it dry again and paint it with acrylic paints. I carded crepe paper into leaf shapes. I cover the stem wire with a long piece of green crepe paper in a twisting motion. Then I add the leaves and bend them into shape. The glue helps to keep the shape. I added some more white and yellow highlights and some green acrylic paint too. I guess I had too much fun making them because I made too many of them. I do save the rest for future projects. Let's do some more flowers. Punching the petals, stick the wire with the glue into colored sand, stick the petals one by one onto the wire. Punch out some more branches and leaves and randomly add them onto the wire. A cap will make a good pot. You only need to fill it, for example with tissue paper, stitching all flowers in, and voila, here comes a plant. Now let's put everything together. First, the beautiful background picture, and then the sunflower, which I've shortened a bit to fit into the box. Then some blue flowers, which I've made the same way as the yellow ones, just with different shaped bunches. The yellow ones seemed a little bit too big to me, so I removed the pot. But I still wasn't satisfied with how it looks, so I made some more flowers to add to it. I found a very tiny acorn outside. Isn't it adorable? I just had to add something in my most favorite color, and I went with even more flowers in magenta. This plant hanger has an acorn as a pot. Added some leaves, added some micro beads in red, and there we have it. I punched out some tiny butterflies and also added them to the little box. Let's give this box some love and peace. Thank you very much for hanging with me. Love ya and bye bye.